Hello and welcome to another edition of Fix 64. I'm Darren Hadley, and today I'm excited to look at a product from one of my favorite brands for helping me make these videos. I'm going to take a look at the Neewer Universal Phone Cage Kit with dual handles. I am a very shaky person, so this will hopefully help me take some great shots while on the go. I will also unbox the rig, put it together, put my phone in it, and we will give it a try. So let's get to the unboxing. Here is the user manual. Here's the cage itself. As you can see, it has a bunch of mounting points all the way around. You can even put it on a tripod. And here are the handles. And also, this one has some mounts right there, and then there's a cold shoe in the bottom. And this one actually is pretty cool. It has a button on it and a USB-C port, so you can control your phone. You can turn the phone on. You can stop recording or start recording. Very, very handy. And yeah, that's part of the other handle. Okay, we'll get this put together and give it a try. Okay, so I think I have this figured out. I can mount these to anywhere. I'll just mount it in the center. Tighten that. And then on the bottom of this one is a hex key wrench, so you can tighten it up more. And you can move the phone around too by just doing those two points. Yeah, I'm just gonna get this set up first. Okay. Oh yeah, I can see that working. That is cool. So yes, you can tighten your phone down and it makes sure it does not drop it while you're carrying it around and doing your filming, like driving an F1 race car or something. Okay, so here's another thing you can do is adjust these to go up or down. Well, anyway, I'll just use my iPhone Air as an example for now. I will put my Max in and just film with my other camera. Oh yeah, that's not going anywhere. Oh man. That is stable, very stable. I like the feel of that. Then you can mount lights and microphones. And there's some mounts there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. Well, so anyway, it's adjustable here from 2.2 inches to 4 inches. It's called an anti-drop phone holder, and this is the fixing knob. It's compatible with iPhone 17, 16, 15, Pro, Pro Max, 14, 13, Galaxy S25, S24, 23, and I'm sure the S26 that just came out. It's also compatible with Google Pixel 9, 8, and 7 Pro and other Android smartphones. This is ideal for social media content creators, influencers, video makers, movie makers, YouTubers, vloggers, you name it. Dual handles are secured to the cage by the thumb screws with a trapezoidal interface designed for maximum stability. And the foam coating provides you with a stable, comfortable handheld operation. It does feel very good. It has numerous 1/4 inch threads to connect ball head adapters and magic arms. And 2 cold shoes allow a microphone, LED for better video quality. And it's compatible with Rode Wireless Go 2 microphones. The back of the cage also features a slot for clipping a wireless microphone transceiver. So yeah, it's set up. And of course it has 1/4 inch threads on the bottom and the sides. And they can connect the cage to a tripod, desk tripod, monopod, hand grip in vertical or horizontal orientations. Ideal for filming TikTok and YouTube footage, which, yes, I'm going to use the heck out of this thing. The cage is made of black anodized aluminum alloy. The cage for handheld shooting is resistant to corrosion, abrasion, and shocks, while the CNC precision machining ensures a durable and lightweight structure for mobile vlogging, live streaming, video recording, videography, and filmmaking. I highly recommend this if you shoot video on the go. It's an absolute game changer for me. I'm so happy that Neewer sent this to me. Thank you, Neewer. I'll be reviewing another one of their products in my next video too. It is a screen that attaches magnetically to the back of the phone. So that will be awesome. I'd like to thank my viewers and subscribers. And if you like this sort of thing, please click like and subscribe. If you want to know when my next video drops, please click the bell button. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.